Starting off tonight, we're hearing from Maine Secretary of State Shenna Bellows after Maine's chief federal judge tossed out the Trump administration's probe into the state's voter rolls. The Justice Department lawsuit had sought to force state officials to hand over registration lists with sensitive voter information like birth dates, partial social security numbers, and driver's license numbers. But today, Judge Lance Walker granted Maine's request to toss out that DOJ suit. A Wisconsin federal judge today also dismissed Trump administration request for that state's unredacted voter information. In his dismissal, Judge Walker from Maine said, quote, "The United States request would require me to turn a blind eye to traditional practices of federalism and how those expressions have found expression in American elections."
He said specifically that the states are the regulators and administrators of federal elections. Only Congress can change that. And even Congress is limited by the Constitution because our founders understood that under the Constitution, the states should be in charge of elections to safeguard against tyranny by the executive branch.
President Trump has previously raised allegations of voter fraud in Maine and in other U.S. elections. Maine is the 7th state where his administration's effort to obtain voter registration list has been unsuccessful.